somebody have the hiccups? No. No hiccups. I guess not. Hiccups are... Oh! How do we get rid of the hiccups? How do we get rid of the hiccups? Do we scare you? Bless you.
Bless you.
Oh, yeah,
Bless you.
bless you. Is that a good feed? Is that a good brunch? Now we're just chilling out? Oh, hiccups. Daddy, are you taping me having hiccups? It's not really nice to laugh at me. Even though I'm so cute. Are you thinking? Thinking what you're gonna do today? Or are you taking a pooper? Okay. Trying to talk. Oh!
Do you want to be burped?
Will that help? Do a little burping. Oh, that's one dirty diaper. That is one dirty diaper. Everybody's watching you. Sorry, sweetheart. Please. Looking around.
Sorelle. Sorelle, sweetie.
What is that thing in front of my face?